So this is the driveway that we put in, and those trees over there are about where the property line ends. These big pine trees over there kind of make a row. It's kind of muddy out here today, so to be less talking so I don't fall on my ass. So those pine trees are about the edge of the property line. This is the property that we've got cleared. Kind of goes up around here just a little bit. Kind of in a straight line like that. So the goal is maybe to put the house right behind these three little pine trees. Bring the driveway there beside that huge stump, and then kind of back out this way. And then the septic leach field would kind of run downhill from here. That's one of the options. This is looking from near the northeast corner. We're looking west. And then that's south, the southeast corner that way. Leading up into the little point up towards the A-frame house. Probably goes another 20 feet or so. I kind of played it safe so I didn't make anybody mad. And that's what the place used to look like. Just all these little scrubby trees. And we could probably go over another 20 feet along there. I think we could go back another 20 feet. I don't know if you can see that little orange flag right there. To clear that out too. So check out this stump. It goes up to, whoops. Yeah, I'll back up a little bit and you can see it. At the whole tree that fell down at some previous point in history. It goes up to about my hip pocket. Anyway. So this is looking from the southeast corner. Like I said, we can push that wall back about another 25 feet. So this would be another option to put the house. It's right up here on the edge. Only because we wouldn't have any issues about fall for the septic system. The whole world revolves around our poop. So anyway, that's looking northeast. The truckway down there is the northwest. And this would be the southwest corner, I guess, which goes down further. This is another view of the border between the two lots. My excavator guy got a little overexcited and popped his way all the way through right here. But it is what it is. So this is the back, and you can kind of see the substation through the bushes right there, through the trees right there. So now I'm down in the southwest corner. There's the driveway. There's the giant stump. Northeast is up that way. There's the little cutout, which again goes back, from this perspective, almost back to this bigger tree. I mean, in line with that, we could carve that much more out. And then here's the south side, where the easement road and the substation is. And directly behind me is that cutout that he made. So that tree stump is probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 feet up there before it starts to go down to the crown. Maybe 4 feet before it starts going down to the root crown. And probably 5 or 6 feet tall. It's huge. So on the original plan of putting the house here in the middle, I thought about bringing the driveway up this hillside and kind of between those trees and the root, so you could get out and your house would be right here next to you. We could put it up in the northeast corner. That'd make for a really short driveway because the road's right over there. Or if we left that as the driveway, then it would be really steep to get up there, so that might be a problem. So I'm standing in about where I originally thought maybe the house would go. And it kind of goes from the corner of that tree down to that little skinny tree there. And it would run along this way and be about 20 feet away from those trees. So it'd go up to, you know, about where the end of that giganto tree is. However, the fall on this is probably, I don't know, a lot. I'm going to measure it, but I'd say 7 or 8 feet. So if we carve down the high side, then we couldn't put the septic tank above it because it would obviously be lower. So we'd have to put it out at the median point, which means our leach field would have to start, and it might go all the way down to the driveway. So that's another reason for thinking about putting the house maybe up there, which is like making the longest possible driveway.